Welcome to OpenEDR Essentials Training Module 3. In this module, we are going to learn what open source is, what OpenEDR is, and finally we are going to talk about OpenEDR. We're going to review it and move forward with it. First of all, let's start with open source. What is open source software? Software that's developed in a community in a collaborative way is called open source. In an open source, the code source is generally open to everyone to inspect and modify, this includes enhancement, fixing, and customization. Generally, anyone can use open source software as written and designed, and also use the source code in their own projects. And this brings the next question into mind. What is OpenEDR? OpenEDR is a software that's developed in a community, again in a collaborative way. The source code of OpenEDR is generally open to everyone. Again, you can fully inspect it, modify it, enhance it, fix it, customize it as you wish. And as in open source itself, you can fully customize the project or use it as you wish. Alright. What is the relationship between Exitium and OpenEDR? I mean, you all know that I work at Exitium as CISO, and Valentin is again an IT manager at Exitium. Exitium remains as the greatest contributor to the project. Exitium uses the open source agent in its commercial EDR offering, which uses the enterprise platform to visualize the data, investigate the data, and take the necessary remediation action on endpoints. If you remember, we talked about what EDR was, how an EDR should be, and all this is for you available freely to use at OpenEDR as well. And we at Exitium, we truly believe that everybody should be able to have EDR to protect yourself against threat actors, against hackers. That's why we made this project open source. And if you wish, you can use our platform, or you can just use GitHub to customize this project for yourself. I think it's clear what the advantages of using OpenEDR is, right? First of all, it's open source. You can update and enhance it based on Exitium or from multiple sources. You can give feedback. You can help to keep the world safer, better with us together. And we truly believe that we are better together. The OpenEDR consists of the following components. It has a code library with the basic framework. It has a service application. It has process monitoring, which has the components for process monitoring, of course. It has a system monitor, the generic container for different kernel mode components. It has a file system mini filter, where the kernel component that hooks into I/O requests from the file system. It is a network monitor, which monitors the process, creation, deletion of using system callbacks. It is a low-level registry monitoring component, which monitors registry access using system callbacks. It has source protection provider, prevents EDR components and configuration from unauthorized changes, and it has a low-level progress monitoring component to network filter for monitoring the network activities. If you remember, we spoke all about this on EDR. We said, what is EDR? How should an EDR be to help you to protect? And if you look at OpenEDR, we do have all these components available for you freely. All what you have to do is join us at the OpenEDR community. For that, you have to go to openedr.com. If you have any questions about our OpenEDR open source code, or if you want to join our open community, you can freely do so. The community allows members to ask and respond to questions, interact with other users, and review topics related to OpenEDR. Here's the website which you can log in, and once you register yourself, you will get an email, sign up. You can just ask questions, download the agent, and start learning about it, start using it. With this, we're coming to the end of this module as well. Next, finally, we're gonna teach you how you can install EDR. We're gonna show you the goods of the EDR, and I'm gonna give the microphone to Valentin, who's gonna continue from here on. And I will be back with the bonus chapter, end of the module again. Thank you very much. Next, let's install OpenEDR and review it. Valentin?